Yep, guys, a former Orlando Pirates man, Tandani Jumaelo, guys, he is seeking for a job. He says that he's willing to give life another chance, guys. Yes, he has done the mistakes in the past, but now he's willing to rectify his mistakes and start over again if given another chance, guys. Here's Tandani Jumaelo with Robert Marawa explaining that if given another chance, guys, he would take it with both hands. Even if it's outside football, guys, he's looking for any job right now.
So mawuthi mongathola umsebenzi, any other job, you're saying outside of football?
Yeah, even if it's outside football, I'm willing to learn.
Yeah.
I'll learn.
What are your interests, Kodwa, when?
Na employee number angazi ukuthi maybe ngikhulumisa lento because I'm not working or but abanye abantu like notice ezinye izinto kwenzakala manje since lento yenzakala abanye abantu they just call me bafuna ukukhuluma as if like bazonceda but they don't but it's not ngiba blame but impilo njalo you have to face such things uyabona yimi ngayenza leyo nonsense ngayenza. I'm the one that fucked up my career. So mele ngibhekana nayo inkinto ezayo kimi whether inhle or imbi or whether inkulumo zabantu zithini ezinye izinto ezingenzile ukuthi ngibe lo muntu ongiwena.
No, I understand. Yeah, and the one thing looking back though and the mess that happened at the time.
Yeah.
Because, I mean, for those that are watching and probably would have forgotten the moment, is that he got the 4-year ban after a positive drugs test, taking cocaine. That's what it was. And you owned up to it. It's not like you were in denial. You knew that you are at a party. You knew that that substance that you are taking is known as cocaine.
Yeah.
But obviously, the rules of SAIDS says that you are not allowed to have these substances. So when they test you and they get a sample and they can identify what it is, and that is where your ban came through. Looking back at that incident, what about that incident to you do you get angry about, or do you feel, as in, I let myself down as a human being? How do you look back on that now?
Obvious, Rob, like Moses Mngani playing for one of the biggest clubs, or if not the biggest club in South Africa. You're famous, or Sonny Mali. Sometimes, as ninga much there isn't is better. I mean, I padlami, but I'm good padlam because that's why all my statements I've never said abangan, but I'm the one that took that decision, which is a bad decision I took.
Yep, guys, that was Tandani Jumaelo revealing that he does not work and he's seeking for a job, any job, even if it's outside football, guys. I don't know what to take on this one. You can leave your comments down in the comments below. I love to hear from you. And don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification bell icon in order to be the first person to know whenever I upload a new video here on this channel. Once again, thanks for watching. I'll see you on the next one.